Thank God we have someone like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We have a leader like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They will beg, they will beg, they will beg, they will beg, they will get tired. The man is incorruptible. You can't bribe him, no matter what they does. They took him to Sokoto so that they can weigh him down and then promise him bribery. But he has blatantly refused. Biafra is coming. Nnamdi Kanu's consistency is the reason why Biafra is coming. Biafra has already come. Israel is talking. America is talking. The world is listening. Biafra, finally, we are here. Thank God for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the generalismo of our time, the greater than Mandela that we have, the greater than John Martin Luther King that we have. God bless Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. His efforts, his resilience has given us freedom. All Igbos must celebrate Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and when Biafra comes, we must have a day set aside to celebrate our iconic leader, the supreme leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, the greatest man alive as of today. God bless Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Long live Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Long live Mazi Simone Ekpa. Long live the people of the Republic of Biafra. Here we come. Hello, Biafrans and lovers of freedom all over the world. I greet you according to your time zone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I want to remind us of some of the hidden secrets behind freedom fighting and why some countries gain independence faster than other countries. There are some secrets, there are some laid down principles that the white, the European Union, the Americans, the Westerners easily listens to. Once you bring out these secrets to the fore, they easily listen to it and they act immediately. Remember that during the civil war between Nigeria and Biafra, the world has not come to the standard it is presently at now. In those years, media, social media was completely non-existent. If that war was fought at this present date, it won't last for 2 years and Biafra will be declared and people will support Biafra. Foreign nations will support Biafra and back up Biafra. But it happened in the time that it was difficult to tell the world, for the world to see what was really happening. And that was the reason why some of the world leaders who knew what happened in those days are still talking about Biafra till this day. Some of these secrets I want to mention now is getting those starving children, those genocidal moments, all those events, to bring the proofs to the fore, show it to the world, to USA and Israel, and you will see the miracle will happen. Number 2, get women involved in the struggle. Get women. The Westerners love it so much when women are involved. Get women involved and you see the miracle that will happen. Let me give you a typical example. What is currently happening in Israel today is an effort by one woman, an Israeli lady who was married to a Biafran. Was because I'm not 100% sure if the husband is still alive, but this woman have swore that she will keep the struggle alive. She is the person that went to the Israeli parliament to narrate the ordeal of the Biafran people. Yes, there are many IPOB members also involved. Okay, so a single woman can take us this far. Imagine if they have up to 100 women working for the same thing. Number 2 point or number 3 point is to get nationalities of these countries involved. get married to their women, have children with them, and then put them into the struggle, especially countries like Israel and America. Let our Biafrans in those countries get married to their women and then inculcate their women the spirit of Biafra, and then their children will back up. The number 4 and the most important point, secret for countries to gain independence easily, is to get the children involved. Those children you raise in those countries, it may be Biafran children that were born in the USA or their own children, get them involved in the struggle. Let them do a protest. Round up 300 children and counting. Let them protest in the front of the White House, in the front of Israeli parliament. Let children protest, peaceful protest with Biafran flags and placards, and showing those horror pictures of the wars of the 1960s. I can assure you, if these 4 points were carried out systematically, consistently, the world will speak and the Biafra will come within 6 months. Even as it is, Biafra is coming because our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have done all that is humanly possible to be done. He has rejected all the offers that no mortal on earth can reject. He is still rejecting offers, even while still in Sokoto prison. He is still rejecting offers every day for the sake of you and I, our children and our born children. He is doing it. Some 3 days ago, they went to offer him a lot. The federal government sent a lot of top high-ranking government officials to Sokoto prison to meet with him. He rejected them. This is the man we are following. This is the man that I told you that is greater than Nelson Mandela. He's greater than Martin Luther King. This is the greatest human being alive as of today. If there is any other person, please show me. A man that showed compassion, a man that showed love, a man that sacrificed his parents for the love of his people. Show me such a man and I will drop this struggle. Nnamdi Kanu is the face of the Biafran struggle. He is the man we know. He is the leader of the Igbo nation. I don't care what you call the Ohaneses. I don't care who you call the governors from the Igbo extraction or the senators, the House of Rep members. I don't know them. Who we know as the leader of the Igbos is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who confidently and wholeheartedly and comfortably step into the shoes of Dim Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu. Nnamdi Kanu is the man. He is leading this struggle for total and completely freedom out from Nigerian state. So in all we do, let us remember to put him in prayers, in our morning prayers, in our afternoon prayers, and in our evening prayers before we go to bed. While we pray, we remember our families. Let us also remember Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. He is the supreme leader. Let us always put him into prayer that we be in good health and come out of Sokoto prisons and then raise up the Biafran flag that we may go home and establish in the land that God, our Creator, has given us. To all these Fulanis, terrorists, jihadists, herdsmen, we run away finally, and then Biafra shall become one of the greatest nations ever. It will happen. It's not going to take time. It will happen. You will see good roads in Biafra land. You will see good hospitals. You will see good schools, quality education in Biafra land. You will see technological advancement, development. You will see Biafra's manufacturing, whatever you can get in Europe, in America, in Japan, in Asia. We will do it in Biafra land. We will do all those things. Don't kill yourself for nothing. Good days are coming. Good days are coming. Don't worry about anything. Continue in your little ways, pushing it, doing whatever you know you can do. Any contribution you can make will make a difference. Add your little contribution. In that social media, you are on YouTube, you are on Facebook, is it TikTok? Just mention the word Biafra, Biafra freedom. Add your voice to the millions of voices that are asking for freedom, it matters a lot. In anything you write, you post to social media, write about Biafra. The stories you know about Biafra, post it that the world may read it. All these things are contributing. This Biafra that is coming, all of us, we gain from it. Long live Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Long live Mazi Simone Ekpa. Long live the people of Biafra land. God bless you all.